Hey guys, Richard here, eBike Reviews and Adventures. Today we're going to be assembling a Maxfoot bike right here, yeah. Maxfoot was nice enough to send this to us and we're going to unbox it to see what it is. I'm not even sure what model it is, I forgot the model name. But we're going to get all the specs, we're going to figure it all out, we're going to bring all that to you probably in another video. Because you know I like to get familiar with my bikes first before I bring you a full review. So today is simply about unboxing it, getting things ready, taking it for its first test ride, that sort of thing. Let's watch Emma here and Ron monkey around with this thing and see if they can get it together without me. Here we go.
Look around and make sure I can find something to get up.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I love that shirt. I love it every time you wear that shirt, Ron.
Oh.
Yeah, I do. I mean, one, you can really see him coming when he's coming down the road. There's no missing him. And I tell you what, Richard is the greatest. It's just the most amazing thing ever right there. Hey, Emma down here is sporting one of our shirts that we've created too, and it says My E-Bike Adventures. Yeah. Yeah, all right. If you're interested in a shirt like this, maybe not that one, you can check it out over at ebikeReviews.com. Yeah. So they've got this thing really, I mean, look at this. They got some really thick foam around this guy right here. And that's kind of cool. Yeah, you see the color, that blue color coming through back there. That's kind of cool. It's going to be a thin tire commuter style bike. See that? Ron's throwing things at me over here. So these two are over here talking about how the bike is upside down. Well, I wonder why the bike is upside down.
Because Richard left it upside down.
Thanks, Dad. You set us up for failure.
So the assembly of this bike is pretty standard. All we had to do is throw on the front wheel like Emma's trying to do now. We're gonna have to put the fender on the front, also the headlight on the front, put the seat on back here. We have to connect the fender back here. And it looks like we have a rack.
Well, maybe
that needs to go on there as well.
Yeah. No, it's got that.
Yeah, it's a nice looking bike.
Needs to be loosened up enough.
Yeah, I got it. Maybe we can sit it in there. Get them a little bit, but you're tightening.
I don't know.
You're just like your
right.
dad. You're just like your dad.
Do I need to take this one out?
No, loosen it though and give me room to play with it. Raise it so you turn it.
What number am I looking for? Shut up!
It's down all the way.
What if I mess it up?
You ain't gonna mess it up.
Power button?
Yes.
Push it and see what happens.
Because
Oh!
the battery's on.
Oh, yeah, see? Battery's on. I like it.
And then it went off.
Well, that's because the light down here went on.
Hit it again.
Hit it again. Turn that on again.
Yeah, but I don't see which one's
The first one looks like.
There
we
it
go.
is. There it is. I was pushing the center one.
And that light still goes off.
Yeah.
Emma was just commenting of who is going to, they were arguing actually to see who was going to take it for his first ride. And Emma commented that blue and pink go so well together. So Ron gets to ride it first. Just don't fall off. Yeah, he was holding the brakes. He was just holding the brakes. Ooh, he did take off, didn't it? Took off pretty quick. Nice. It's kind of hard to miss him coming down the street. I tell you what, he's not going to get ran over.
Boy, it's nice pedaling. It takes off.
He said it takes off. Nice. It looks good. Nice little bike. Nice little commuter style.
Her little short legs that fit on there.
Well, Emma's little short legs are barely fitting in.
5'4",
Is
for
that seat
reference.
as easy?
It's as low as it goes.
It goes that. Ooh.
Yeah. That's where I was worried about it. You didn't want this in.
Zoom. And she's off. What do you think, Emma? Not bad. Yeah, so what do we got here? We got
Handlebar's still crooked.
This is a right-handed thumb throttle. We don't see that too often. Usually the thumb throttles are on the left side, so that's kind of cool. But we have a right-handed shifter and a right-handed bell. So, does your thumb reach all the way over there? Yeah, mine will.
Yeah, mine wouldn't. I would have to kind of like let go of it, but
It's okay. This is a class 2.
not all of us have Bigfoot hands.
And we not all of us have Bigfoot hands, is that what you said?
God, all of us are built like Sasquatches.
Dadgum, I got the wrong one. Hold on.
Where's Pink Shirt going? What's he trying to do?
I have no clue.
He was doing something. So guys, we're going to continue having some fun out here, but we're going to go ahead and close out this video. Appreciate Maxfoot for sending this to us so we could check it out. You know, yeah, have some fun with it so far. These two guys really liked it. I think Ron's still monkeying with something there. I don't know what he's doing. When you have a Ron, it's anything can happen. But guys, that's going to be it for this video. Be looking for the next video, because the next video is going to be a full review. We're going to be talking about the specs. We're going to give you all of our, our impressions after we've ridden it some, just a little bit. I'm fumbling over my words. Ugh. But, oh, see, they're adjusting the handlebars. That's what they were doing. So the handlebars aren't so low. Good on them. Huh? Yeah, that's it. See you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.